Hey class, Mr. Miles here, and I'd like for you to follow along with me as we create this agenda. So, the first thing we need to do is we have to open up the Microsoft Word application. And to do that, you can come to the bottom left of your screen and type Word, and you'll see the desktop app will appear. So, we're going to open this up and we're going to create a blank document. Now, once the document opens, here's what we're going to do. So I want to split the screen, and I'm going to show you the way that you can see in the recording. So what you'll do is you'll grab the tab and you want to bring it over to the edge of your screen, and you're going to release it. And then you should be able to click on your browser to have it display on the other side. And what we're going to do is we're going to read through these instructions to complete the agenda. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start with the heading. Now the heading says, in the instructions it says that it should be single space, Times New Roman, and size 12. So those are our formatting options. So we're going to select Times New Roman and we're going to select size 12. And it says for us to type the organization name. So the organization name is FBLA, and this text should be centered and it should be bold. So I'm going to select my text, I'm going to center it, and I'm going to make it bold. And then it says on the next line, we're going to type the word agenda, and this text should be centered only. So we don't need our bold feature on for this. So I'm going to type the word agenda, followed by the date, and the date is going to be September 17, 2022, and it's going to be at 6 p.m. Okay, so we got that. All right, the location is next. So we're going to press enter and we're going to type the location. The location is going to be at the Olympia Conference Room, and this is going to be at the Corey Convention Center. Okay, all set. Next, what our instruction says is it says that we have to add a space between the heading and the body. So our heading is finished, and now we're going to create the body. All right, so let's continue. Now that the heading is finished, we have to create the body of the document. All right, so notice my cursor is still here at the end of the heading, and according to our instructions, it says that we have to add a space between the heading and the body. So we're going to add a space between the heading and the body. So I'm going to press enter one time and press it again. Press enter twice, and then we're going to align our text to the left. Now here's where we're going to begin typing the body of our document. And it says that we need to create 2 tab stop positions. So let's create 2 tab stop positions. And this particular formatting is a bit advanced, so make sure you pay close attention to it. And there's 2 ways that we can do it. So here in the paragraph group, we can click this arrow to open up this dialog box, or you can right click to open up the paragraph settings. And then once you get this open, you want to click on tabs, and we're going to create our first tab stop position. According to our instructions, it should be positioned at the 1.0 on the ruler. So we're going to type 1.0. It's also going to be aligned to the left, and there will be no leader. So we're going to press set, and that one's all set. Next, we have to create a tab stop position at 6.5 on the ruler. So we're going to type 6.5. This one is going to be aligned to the right, and we're going to use the number 2 leader. And we press set and press OK. And now it's all set. You're not going to see anything until we start typing and we use the tab key on our keyboard. So we're going to start by typing the time, 6 o'clock. We're going to press tab and we're going to type call to order. And welcome. All right, so after you type that phrase there, we're going to press tab and you'll notice that it adds that dot leader. So it's not a bunch of periods that we're typing. It's actually formatted to do that. So keep that in mind. Now, if you find yourself in this moment typing a bunch of periods, you are doing it incorrect. And depending on who's grading the assignment, they might catch it and you can lose some points. So next, press the enter button and we're going to align our text to the right and we're going to type these other 2 lines of text. So section chief. I don't think it's necessary for us to go through this entire document. I am going to go as far as I think is necessary, and then you all should be able to complete the rest of it on your own. And clearly, Mr. Miles is having a hard time typing right now. Information technology, which is okay because I'm sure you all are trying to catch up and stay at the same pace. All right, so the next line of text says marketing, health, occupations, and career development. Okay. All right, excellent. So we press enter, and then we're going to align our text back to the left. All right, here we can type 6:10. All right, we're going to press tab, and we'll type minutes. And you'll notice how each time we press tab, the text goes exactly where we want it to go. Okay, so there's no abusing of the space bar, what I like to say. So we're not constantly tapping the space bar to get our text to go to where we want it. And if you find yourself doing that, you are doing it incorrectly. All right, so on this next line of text, we have to align our text to the right again. So we're going to press the right align button. We're going to type NCFBLA, Board of Directors. There. All right, good thing we have spell check. Because I butchered both of those words. All right, and then the last thing within this section of the agenda is going to be at 6:15, and we're going to type NCFBLO. I forgot to press tab. So NCFBLA. State officer reports. Okay. And then press tab, press enter. It'll take us to the next line. All right, so we're going to press enter again, and then you're going to type unfinished. I spelled that wrong. Unfinished business in all caps. And I'm going to correct my spelling. I'm missing an H here. And then we'll do it all over again. So you press enter. We give it the time. So at 6:40, have directory updates. Don't forget to press tab. And I think we can end it here. It would really be bad if my microphone was off in this moment, but maybe okay. And I think you all got it from here. So I'm not going to continue, but do as we've just been doing. So you press enter, you type your time, you press tab, and so on and so forth. If you have any questions about this, you can ask your teacher, and I guarantee they'll be able to help you. Mr. Miles, over and out.